In 1 Corinthians chapter 5, gigil na gigil si Paul sa mga Corinthians. Bakit? It's because there was this guy who was cohabiting with his father's wife. And instead of pagsabihan nila itong taong to, instead na idisiplina, ang ginagawa pa nila, pinapalakpakan nila. They were so proud of him for doing such thing. And of course, banas na banas si Paul. Paul eventually commanded them, get rid of this guy. Now, the thing is, minsan tayo, ganun tayo. We want to establish rapport. Sometimes we want to be more relatable. So the tendency, we say the stupidest things. No? Sometimes, hindi natin sinasadyang bumitaw ng mga salita na hindi natin dapat sinasabi. Take for example, alam mo ng maraming babae to, alam mo nang gumagawa ng kalokohan, yung tipong papalakpakan mo pa. Sasabihin mo pa sa kanya na, pare, ang galing mo talaga, no? Mabuti hindi ka nahuhuli. Ang dami mo palang babae, no? I mean, just think about that. If this guy knows that you are a Christian, and this is the kind of message na binabato mo sa kanya, ano sa tingin mo iisipin niya? Pinagsasabihan mo siya or ine-encourage mo siya? Think about it. Before you say something, be careful. Examine it. Ano ang magiging consequence nito doon sa makakarinig at especially kapag meron kang ibang kasama. Okay lang ba yan? Kapag Christian ka, ibig sabihin ba na okay lang magkasala? So these are some of the things that we need to consider bago tayo bumitaw ng salita. And with that, God bless.